what's up? So this is the continued version of the Tamil Nadu vlog. So today is day 2 here and today we are going to Isha Foundation. Isha Foundation is that big Adiyogi wala place जहाँ पे एक किसका स्टैचू है? शिवा हाँ शिवा का बहुत बड़ा स्टैचू है. So we'll be going there. So stay tuned guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned. We're gonna short stop at Pundi. This is a Shiv temple. It has like, if you touch the Shiv over here, correct? Shiv, yes, touch the Shiv over here, very powerful. So let's explore.
Okay.
Mention that there are other teams with us as well. There is Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore, Kerala, and Maharashtra, and Karnataka as well. So all of us have come together. So we can increase the bonding and we can get to know each other.
Hello guys, छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका. Don't
underestimate.
संजीवनी साळुंके. Never ever.
बोल तो इसमें हाथ दुखने लग
Never ever understand.
Pratik's ancestor. This is Pratik and these are his ancestors. Please go and stand beside your ancestor. You want to compare? Pratik his ancestor. Pratik his ancestor. We finally reached Isha Foundation, not Adiyogi. We finally reached Isha Foundation and we are going to see that Bada Mahadev ka statue. And first the phones were not allowed, but it is allowed where the statue is there. It is not allowed whatever is behind us. Because people come here to meditate. Stay tuned. Statue. It looks very small in the video, but it is actually big. You can understand by the size of the people walking there. This place is magnificent and very beautiful. Just look around over here. It literally gives you good vibes. All around, it's like positive vibes, only positive vibes. I could live at this place. What to shoot and what not to shoot? This is a very big question once you come here at Adiyogi. So wherever, like whole place, you feel like ye bhi lena hai, wo bhi lena hai, ye bhi lena hai, wo bhi lena hai. Try to cover maximum things, but yeah, you should sure visit this place once in your life because it is. You feel like staying over here. The place is so good. Like it's too good. Har Har Mahadev. The number of coconut trees. One last shot. Yeah. After seeing the Adiyogi's statue, we went to Isha Foundation ka ashram, where phones were not allowed, but it is the most fabulous place because we have to meditate over there. That is why the phones were not allowed. Until we came out, it was 7, so we could see the light show, which was breathtaking.
Still processing.
So you have to come and visit this place if you haven't, at least for the light show. Like the light show is the thing to do over here, and it's like सांस अटक गई थी.
Can't
So
describe. Can't
yeah,
describe it.
too good. And now we are headed back to the college, like the hostel. And yeah, this is it for today. Keep watching more vlogs coming in. You will be getting one more vlog, and after that, there's the Uti vlog. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, bye. Oh God, everything is closed.